In 2010, Nicholas Brooks strangled and drowned his girlfriend, Sylvie Cachay. She was a swimsuit designer and a beautiful, talented young woman. This happened at the New York swanky Soho House because she was going to break up with him. Now, he was convicted and sentenced to 25 years to life for murder. Then the Cachay family filed a civil suit and was awarded $12.5 million. Now, according to the family lawyer, Brooks never showed up for that trial and has not paid a dime. Now, the question is he still receiving royalties from his father, Joseph Brooks, a famous musician who's best known for his song, You Light Up My Life? So I went to go meet with the Cachay's family lawyer, Sylvie Karten, to find out what was going on with this. 2 years after winning this lawsuit, they have had to place a restraining notice on the possible payments that Nicholas is getting.
It was very important to them that Nicholas Brooks never earn a dime from both the murder as well as from his father, because it was known that his father had money, number one, and that there were a number of trusts set up for Nicholas.
So all of a sudden, they learned that Brooks might receive $132,000 in royalties from his father's estate and possibly another $172,000 right after that.
So we found out that there was a possibility that Nicholas Brooks would be gaining money or getting money from royalties that his father had with regard to commercials that his father did and songs that his father wrote.
Some of those royalties, they're now being put in a trust, and the Cachay family does not want a dime of that to go to Brooks.
What we wanted to do was make sure that this money judgment was entered, and that if he ever came into money, that these judgments would be put immediately on these monies, and what we call restraining notices, and he wouldn't be able to collect it.
She told me that the family's really upset right now because not only this financial issue, but because Nicholas Brooks just appealed the criminal conviction.
What is he appealing based on, do you know?
According to the family's lawyer, they are claiming that the court case was mishandled.
So I would think that this would be relatively simple if you have a judgment against someone and they have money coming in. Are they suing for it? I mean, how is that working?
The whole reason that they sued was so that he couldn't make any money off of selling his story to reporters. He couldn't earn a dime off of this murder.
All right, so you're going to keep chasing, because I'm curious how this appeal works out. I mean, that does throw a doubt in there, and we'll see.